All right. Done. I'm missing drawers. Whatever. That's all the parts that came with it. That's all I'm putting together. Oh! What y'all doing in my garage? Y'all sitting there watching me build stuff? That cabinet? How y'all doing? Yeah, I was just building a cabinet for my wife who had her other people at the office when I wasn't there trying to build a cabinet for the office, and it was almost falling apart, so she brought it home and I made it whole, except she forgot the drawers. So there's the video. How to make... No, it's not the video. Hi guys, it is Heath, obviously. It is the Groovy Goat Hunter, obviously. And we have a pay dirt review, obviously. Today, I got a pay dirt. Look at me go. Roll the intro, and then we'll talk about this brand new pay dirt that I've never done before.
It's the Groovy Gold Hunter, spending all his money on pay dirt. The Groovy Gold Hunter needs to stop spending all his money on pay dirt. Now let's pan some pay dirt, yeah!
That is right, we got a brand new pay dirt. I just got this in about a month ago. I've just been holding on to it for a while. This I have never done before, and it is called the Pay Dirt Showdown. Right there. It's a little small bag, so this should be a quick review. Pay Dirt Showdown, because not all pay dirt is created equal. That's what it says on the thing. And yeah, it says gold added. This is a guaranteed gram, but this says gold added 1.13 grams of gold. So it tells me exactly how much I'm getting in there. Don't really like that, but whatever. I prefer people just saying it's guaranteed a gram and then being surprised that you get the 0.13. That's just me. But yeah, pretty cool little bag. It's smaller than normal bags, and it's probably half a pound of pay dirt. So again, it's going to be a pretty quick review. Yeah, on the back it says guaranteed gold, real pay dirt. Each bag contains real gold bearing concentrates inspired by historic prospecting areas near the Spanish Peaks region of southern Colorado. Gold is guaranteed by weight as listed on the front. Material is hand measured, sealed, and inspected. Gold guaranteed by weight, not size. Natural variation in gold shapes. Bonus gold is random, not guaranteed. Oh, I might get some bonus gold, I guess. That's what it says. And then it says www.paydirtshowdown.com. So that's what we're going to do tonight. I bought this May 26th. Paid $165 plus $10 shipping, no tax, grand total $175. Before we look at this pay dirt and before we get into it, I want to show you something that I'm going to start giving away to you guys if you want one, but you have to be subscribed. That's my only criteria. And then I need your address so I can send them to you if you want one. I've had a couple people send me messages and asking me about getting a sticker. Well, I haven't had any stickers except for that roll of stickers that I never got cut. I got some stickers in, and here it is. The Groovy Goat Hunter with my sweet boy, Sir Fritz of Edinburgh. Got these stickers, and I've got these stickers. We got these stickers, and these stickers. This is my other channel, Vacation Voyagers. You don't have to ask for that, but yeah, I'm going to give some away. If you want them, shoot me a message, email, let me know your address, and I'll ship them to you. A couple of them. I'm not going to charge anybody for it for right now, because why would I? I just feel stupid. I feel bad for saying, well, if you send me $2.99, I will send you a very small sticker. Maybe I will sell them, I don't know. But if you subscribe and you give me your address, I'll just send you a couple. I'm not going to send you like 10. If y'all want one, let me know. It might take me a while because I'm sure I'll get at least 20 people asking me for stickers, and then I have to get envelopes and find out how you do stamps, and then I got to write your address and all that stuff. So it might take me a week or two to do it all, but all right, let's get back to this. Let's open this bad boy up and see what we got in it. Ah, there we go. Well, okay. I opened the bag and I was fixing to dump it, but it's in another bag. So a bag in a bag. I actually like that though. Oh, I got a sticker. Hey, speaking of stickers, looky there. Pay Dirt Showdown. Got a sticker. Thank you. Love the stickers. And I love this idea because now I don't have to worry about getting all of the dirt and stuff that gets in the edges of these bags. So that was a pretty cool idea. Now let's open this bag. It is dry. And again, not a whole lot of pay dirt. But yeah, this bag is much easier getting material out of because you don't have those edges that trap dirt and possible gold. So I like that. Came with a gold vial. I'm going to open it up because dirt got caught in it. Make sure all that's cleared out. So we got a sticker, a gold vial. That's pretty good. And then here is the pay dirt. So let's start classifying it. It is dry. And I do see some organics in there. And there's some decent sized rocks. Nothing more than 1/4 inch. But I don't think I'm even going to do a 1/4 inch. I think I'll just start with 10 mesh. And then we'll just do 10, 20, 40, 60, done. Here is the dirt. This is 10 mesh. So we'll just dump that in there real quick. And it goes. And there it is. There's the 10 mesh. And this isn't going to take very long to classify, so I'll just keep rolling and do it all. Let's go to 20. Yeah, looks like most of my pay dirt is 10 meshing up. So the rest of this is probably just going to be 1 pan each. And there's my 20 mesh. 40 mesh. Super fast shake, shake. And we're done. All right, let's take a look at it after I clean my mess up. So we got 5 classifications. See how I put everything together to give you a nice display of the Pay Dirt Showdown stickers and all that crap. Alright, we're going to start with the very top, which is everything 10 mesh and up, followed by the 20 mesh, the 40 mesh, the 60 mesh, and all of that is minus 60. That's what we're going to start with. We're just going to go minus, plus, 40, 20, 10. We're done. Let's go to overhead.
It's overhead time. It's gold panning time. Yeah, man.
Let's get started on the minus 60. Before I get started on the minus 60, look at all of those magnetics. Wow. Not much at all. So here is the minus 60. Obviously it all goes in because there's just not a whole lot. A lot of dirt in this. I'm trying to keep my water clean, so I try to get as much as the mud out as I can so I don't dirty this up. That's good enough. I can't get it all completely out. So let's pan and see what we get in our minus 60. Alright, that's good enough. And what did we get? I think we got 1 single flake. We got a few pieces. It's just kind of hard to see the very, very small flour gold in there, but you can probably see that one humongous piece of flour gold or very, very small flake, however you want to look at it. I'll do a phone shot of this and show you what I got, and then we'll move on to the plus 60. And here is that plus 60. Do a very quick stratify because this one should be a lot easier to stratify than the first. I really do try to keep my water as clean as possible so I can see what I'm panning. And go. Yep, very, very easy to pan out. Oh, and here we go. Look at all that gold. And it stays back pretty nicely too. There it is. Lots and lots of pieces of gold. Yeah, I really do want to look at that up close because it looks like different colors too. All right, let's take a look at it. And then we'll move to the 40 mesh. And here is that 40 mesh. So yeah, in the description on the pay dirt, it does state, even though it showed 1.13 grams of gold, that you could get bonus gold in here too. Now it didn't specify, did it specify how many bags? No, it just says bonus gold is random, not guaranteed. All right, let's pan it. I think that is good enough. Again, I just about panned all of the dirt out and I see a ton of gold. Look at that. Wow, that is a lot of gold. All right, that's good enough. I'll just have to clean it when I'm done with the pay dirt. There it is. Bunch of little small flakes. Definitely a phone shot, and then we will move to the 20 mesh. We're almost done. There is the 20 mesh. It looks like some of this dirt has got some dirt clods. Let's pan it. We will tap this back. And yes, more gold. More beautiful, shiny yellow gold. Oh, I love seeing pretty shiny gold. Just makes me happy. There's some small pieces too that are smaller than 20 mesh, so I'm wondering if some of that gold was stuck on maybe a rock because the material got small. Like all of that, that's like minus 60 stuff. And I will do a phone shot, and then we will go to our last bit of pay dirt, which is the 10 mesh and up. So this is it right here, 10 mesh and up. I did look in my snuffer bottle. We're gonna pour it all in. Oh yeah, I can see dirt stuck to these rocks. Like that right there, it's got all kinds of dirt stuck to it. Yeah, I was looking in a snuffer bottle. I don't think we've got a gram yet. It's very close. So there it is. See how it's got lighter colors, almost like pastel colors, just light colors. So I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna go through all of these pieces of quartz, pick them out, and then we'll pan when I'm done picking. There's a lot of quartz in here too. Good Lord, there's tons of quartz. So I got as much out as I could get. There's still some in there, it's very small. But what I did not see when I was picking it out was gold. So let's pan it and see if I just missed it. But I don't think I did. Uh-oh, I don't think we got any. Nope, we didn't. Let me pan it back. Nope, nada. So we are done. Oh, I hate not ending on gold, or I hate ending on no gold. So distraught because I didn't end on gold, I can't even speak. Of course, I can't speak anyway. Okay, we're done. So, you know the drill. I'm going to take all of this. There we go. I'm going to take all this stuff, clean it up real good in this doohickey, and then we'll dry it, take it upstairs, weigh it, get a value, all that good stuff that we always do. I will see you upstairs right now. We got the gold dried. It's up here. It's right here. Let's take a look at it with the phone, and then we'll weigh it and see how much we got.
You gotta love that gold. Oh, look at that gold.
Time to weigh. Here is my scale. There is my bowl. Let's zero it out. We are on grams, and here comes all of this gold. 1.137. I got to go back on that bag and see what he put. So that is what we got. Now let's get over here on the computer and let's get a value and let's get all that other good stuff that we do. All right, we are on the gold calculator. So what I did was I put in the gold prices as of May 29th, which is when I bought this pay dirt. And on May 29th, the gold prices was $4,539.76. I've already put in my 1.137 grams of gold. We'll call it 24 karat natural placer gold. We will calculate $165.95. So $165.95. I paid $165 for it, but $10 for shipping, $175 total. Yes, I add shipping because that is the total price I paid for getting this pay dirt. So my ROI on this is 94.8%, which is fantastic. Here's the bad news. Gold prices are not 4,500 and whatever I just said. Now they're $4,156 and a penny. Man, they keep going up and down, up and down, up and down. Looking at gold prices today, which is June 21st, happy Father's Day, by the way. By the time you see this, it'll probably be Labor Day. Pay Dirt Showdown, this 1 gram guarantee is still $165 plus $10 shipping, still $175. The price hasn't changed. I'm going to put it at today's prices, $151.92. We'll calculate that, and right now it's at 86%. So what was that, an 8% drop? So a great return when I purchased it. Still, I guess it'd still be a good return. 80+% is a good return on a pay dirt. But like I said, gold prices have dropped $400 since I purchased it. Man, gold prices are just, they're all over the place. It's not like a $20 drop here and there. It's hundreds of dollars one day. It'll be $4,100. The next day it'll be $4,600. Next day it'll be $4,000. It's crazy how gold prices are just fluctuating up and down. As far as the pay dirt itself, it was a good pay dirt. I got a lot of flakes. No complaints about the gold. Just wish there was more pay dirt. It was a very fast pay dirt to review and to pan out. And that's one of my biggest things when it comes to pay dirts. I would prefer personally if you just charged a little bit more for shipping and put a pound or two versus a half a pound. Actually, a pound's not enough either. At least 2 pounds of pay dirt when you sell it, because people want to pan pay dirt. That's the whole part of the fun. Other than that, it was a good pay dirt. I liked it. I will buy from them again. Not right now though, because they're still selling it at $165 when gold prices are $133 a gram right now. All right, that's it. Enough babbling. Thank you guys for watching this video of the Pay Dirt Showdown 1 gram guaranteed bag. Oh, and the other thing, I don't like the fact that he put exactly how much gold was in there. I guess I get it in a sense that he's putting that much. He wants you to know exactly how much to get out of the pay dirt. That's fine. I'm just more a fan of the surprise of it. Like if you're guaranteeing a gram and then, oh, I got 1.13 grams instead of just a gram, that was a great pay dirt. But knowing exactly how much you got it before you pan it, I'm just not a fan of that. So that's all for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, the share button, the notification bell, all those buttons that help my channel. And yeah, shoot me a message if you want a sticker, and I will mail it to you in the near future. So that being said, I will see you guys on my next video. Until then, peace and love. Bye.